Find your head.
Hi everyone and welcome back. We are so happy you're joining us again on our journey. Today we're leaving the Wongtawan resort, and even though we thought our room didn't include breakfast, we still got toast with jam and a cup of coffee. A pretty sweet surprise to start the day. We continue our trip south, following the border with Myanmar toward the city of Tak. Along the way, we made a stop at Tham Si Fa, also known as the Blue Cave. It's not a very big cave and it's not exactly an adventurous hike, but the rocks inside are incredibly beautiful, with unique blue colors and textures. Definitely worth a quick stop.
You already see the blue color from outside. Find your head.
I just fit.
It's narrow. Can I fit?
Yes, you can.
That's the end. Think so. วัสดีครับ สวาย You see the bats?
Yes, I did. When we took the longer way to the end of the cave, you should have gone to the left behind the lying Buddha.
Ah,
There.
okay.
But they're more small flying foxes, not just bats.
Okay.
It's like a flying fox, but like if they do their wings like this, I think.
Okay.
Okay, ขอบคุณค่ะ
Gonna get a stamp also?
Yes, I got my book.
Now we have two people who wanted to stamp.
Sawadika.
เพลงมาแล้วก็สองคนคนนี้อ๋อเหรอ The visitor center is closed.
No, cannot.
ถ้าจะค้างคืนที่นี่คิดค่าบริการเท่าไหร่ครับ
จะการเต้นเหรอคะหรือจะไม่หรอกค่ะถ้าเต้นในการปี
Yeah, bye bye.
เดี๋ยวจะมีเวรยางไปให้ลงทะเบียนตอนเย็นที่การไม่เลยค่ะ
จุดกลางอยู่ไหนกันข้างล่าง
ข้างล่างไหม
จุดเดียว
ตรงนี้ก็ได้ถ้าจัดการ
แล้วถ้ามีรถที่มีเต้นหลังคาจอด
จอดตรงนี้ก็ได้ แต่ส่วนมากเขาจะไปจอดมันจะมีลานอยู่ข้างล่างอีกลานหนึงไปนอนข้างล่างก็ได้ค่ะมันติดน้ำตก
ให้
ค่ะไปดูก่อนเนาะถ้าจะไปถ้าจัดการ
ร้อยวัน
Yes.
one more step
One more stamp in your book. Not mine.
มาจากไหนคะนี่
Cars?
yes
No,
what about the below one
I don't have my glasses on. Is there a car?
This one?
you think it's
It look no, I think it's hands.
It's hands?
yes,
Yes.
it's correct hand
Can't see it without glasses.
And you know why I recognize it? The hands? Because in Antwerp, our shield is also with hands. Same.
okay
we have cookies like the
Yeah.
shape of a hand
Hands. Yeah.
in Antwerp. Yes.
Next time we bring the special Antwerp cookies.
oh yes please อะไรครับมีอะไรครับ
ก็มีแค่นี้แล้วค่ะ ก็คือมีน้ำตก มีภูเขา มีจะเสียงน้ำตก
อ๋อดีจัง
You both got your stamp? Okay. Let's go to the
We are
Waterfall.
happy.
let's go to the waterfall. Then I'm
To the
happy
happy
too.
place.
Yeah, then I'm happy too.
Our next stop was a quick one at Namtok Pacharoen National Park, where we visited a waterfall and, of course, grabbed another stamp for my little green book. The waterfall is only about 200 meters from the parking area. The rainy season had already passed, so the water flow wasn't very strong, but it was still a very beautiful spot to explore.
ไม่ต้องทำที่หัวนี่อร่อย
Oh, okay, go. ขอบคุณค่ะ
How much was it for the entire bag?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't care. I just wanted the pineapple.
You paid 100 baht? You get-
Yes. Okay. ขอบคุณค่ะ It was 60 baht for the
60
whole
baht
bag.
for
Yes.
that? Wow. It's about 2 euros
Yes.
for an entire bag of pineapple. Wow. I think it's a good deal.
It smells delicious already, and it's still in the bag. So let's go find Pete and have some saparot. If you're looking for a taxi in Bangkok, or if you're looking for someone to drive you around Thailand, then maybe you should call him. He's the best.
You find them on Facebook, you find them on
Internet.
Instagram, you find them on TripAdvisor. Such a nice guy.
That night we stayed in an area they call the Sea of Clouds. The accommodation was still quite new and you could tell there was some work left to be done. But the view was absolutely breathtaking. Waking up in the morning with temperatures barely reaching 14 degrees, looking out over a valley completely filled with clouds, just magical.
You want to see the best part?
What's the best part?
Look at the roof.
The roof is...
Retractable roof. Now you can have a skylight. Look, and you can close it.
Oh, wow! And it's so remote out here, so tonight we should be able to look at the stars.
How cool is this?
Oh, I like it open.
Open.
Wow!
So tonight you can see to the sky.
I'm not gonna sleep tonight. I'm just gonna watch the stars.
So they just brought this food to our room. This is the mukatien kai dao, the pork with garlic and an egg. And this is the khao pad gai, also with an egg. That's fried rice with chicken and some vegetables. And we should have this. Our driver Pete gave it to us. It's the pork skin fried. It's the crunch accompanied that will accompany the dishes.
Okay. Okay. And look at the view we have.
delicious.